Bitcoin already surging in price as we enter 2018, and one of the biggest names in Silicon Valley might be behind it. Venture capitalist Peter Thiel just made a giant bet on the volatile cryptocurrency. Our very own Hillary Vaughn has more details. Hillary?
Hey, Dagan. Well, the Wall Street Journal reports that Peter Thiel's venture capital firm, Founders Fund, bought about $15 million worth of Bitcoin currency several months ago. And they say that Thiel told investors that that investment is now worth hundreds of millions of dollars. But it's worth even more today because Bitcoin jumped 11% on the news that one of Silicon Valley's elite is putting his money where his mouth is. Thiel in October told Fox Business's Maria Bartiromo last fall that he thinks the cryptocurrency is a safe bet.
If Bitcoin ends up being the cyber equivalent of gold, you know, it has a great potential left. So it's a very different kind of thing from what people in Silicon Valley normally focus on. Companies, not algorithms or protocols, but this may be one exception that's very underestimated.
But not everyone is convinced the cryptocurrency is a safe bet for investors. Some worry that hackers levying cyber attacks on the currency dependent on blockchain technology is a big risk. I talked with one early Bitcoin backer who's been working with the currency for half a decade. He tells me there's two things holding the currency back. One, figuring out how to secure cryptocurrency, and also two, how to recover lost coins when you lose them. If that gets worked out, he thinks Bitcoin has the potential to surge to 100,000, even 500,000 in the future. Now, Bitcoin shares have shot up over the past year, but the stateless and bankless currency has been volatile. Bitcoin started 2017 trading around $1,000, spiked to nearly 20,000, but then tanked to half that in December. And so that volatility is something that has investors spooked. Dagan?
Hillary, I'll just point out that the fund that Peter Thiel is behind has warned investors about Bitcoin. You talking about it being safe, that it does share something in common with risky venture capital investments, that it could be worth nothing or close to it in the end. So I'll add that. Thank you so much, Hillary Vaughn.